Hi, so you wish to share some feelings and emotions with a friend and you really don't know how to say it very well. So I'm going to give you some verbs that you can use. The first one we have is come over, when it's something that affects you very suddenly. You can be sitting there chit-chatting, having a laugh with your friends, and all of a sudden sadness comes over you and you become sad, obviously. If it's a little bit more aggressive, you could say seize. You could say that the soldier was seized by anger or fear, okay? Now, on the other hand, you have feelings that creep up on you little by little, and this, of course, is steals over. You could have a relationship with a friend and everything is going well, and then little by little they stop answering your texts, answering your phone calls, and you become suspicious. This feeling steals over you over time. Then we have run deep. And by the word deep, you can almost imagine that it is something to do with, of course, prejudice or phobia. Your fear of something can run deep, or your phobia of something can run deep. For example, a phobia of spiders. I don't know. Then, if that phobia gets the better of you, then it means that it has taken over your life and taken control of what's going on, getting the better of you. So, if you are to let something get the better of you, make sure that the feeling is positive.